Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a little review on a Blizetec multi-purpose pocket knife. So I've actually got another Blizetec knife already. It's a tactical survival knife, and this knife is actually really nice. I did a review on this, so check that out. As you can see, this is a pretty nice knife. It even comes with a flashlight. So, and it does have a fire starter also. So Blizetec has some pretty cool stuff. It's got like a seatbelt cutter and a window smasher too. So let's check out this multi-purpose knife. If it's anything like this survival knife, it should be really nice. Alright, so it's actually already in the pouch here, as you can see. Oh wow, that looks nice so far. Alright, this is very nice. I really like the attention to detail on this thing. It's beautiful. So I guess this is Blizetec's answer to the Swiss knife, and it seems to be pretty well executed. It's a beautiful knife. So it's all metal. These holes here kind of make it that much nicer. It's got a really nice presence to it, and there's actually a clip here too. You can clip this to your pants or whatever, to your belt. Comes out here and goes in. So let's see what we have in this knife. So right off the bat here, I see that we have a Phillips screwdriver. So next thing after that, we have a small knife, and then after that we got some kind of file slash picker. I'm not a knife expert, guys, so if I say these things wrong, I'm sorry. I have no idea what some of this stuff is. Alright, this looks like another interesting tool here with a hole, and we got a corkscrew. So that is it for this side of the knife. So the clip is definitely a nice little addition here. Alright, let's go to this side. And here we have the Blizetec branding. Looks very good. Alright, so here on one side we have, looks like a cap opener with maybe some other purpose. Following that, on this side we have scissors. Everybody needs a pair of scissors, right? Hey, whenever you're out there and you don't have anything, this could be very useful in certain situations. Okay, then we have a long tooth. So this is not like sharp or anything. This is just like a toothy thing. So I'm not sure exactly what you would use this for. Maybe scaling or whatnot else. And it has a little pick in the top. Alright, the next thing we have. So I guess this is like a cutting tool. Like a saw almost. So actually that's very sharp, and the metal you can tell is a little different than the rest of it. It's got like these little jaggedies in it. I'm guessing it's for sharpening purposes. Almost last but not least is the actual knife. So yeah, it looks to be pretty good quality, and it does say stainless on it right here. And then you do have one more thing on this side, and that's another opener, and it looks like a flat screwdriver maybe. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and try to open everything, and this is how it all opens. It's a bunch of tools and one knife. Seems like it would be a pleasure just getting it out, and everything feels very tactile, and you know, because it's all metal, it feels good in your hand. I'm gonna put these up right quick. And everything clips in really good. It's got a really nice spring action. Just gonna put all this together because of the knives. And there we go. It's back to the housing. So I'm assuming that the knife is sharp. Let's get this manual from the older one, which I used to cut. Here we go. No. Yeah, it's good. It might not be as good as this knife here, but it's still very good. Considering, you know, this one has a bunch of other stuff going on too, so it's not just a knife. Yeah, it still cuts very good. So for multi-purpose, this is great. And I forgot to mention, guys, that every blade has a little notch in it where you can grab it with your nail, which is not a problem. Alright, let's go ahead and try the scissors out. I'm kind of curious, because scissors is actually pretty hard to implement correctly. You know, scissors are harder to make good quality. So let's go ahead and cut something here. Oh man, that is sharp. Let's go on the very tip. Oh yeah, that's actually, wow, these are good scissors. Very good, impressed actually. I know I'm just cutting paper, but that usually paper shows how agile the scissors are. Pretty impressed with the scissors. Anyways guys, so this is the Blizetec multi-purpose pocket knife. I would say in today's world of quality knives, this is really good. You get what you pay for. So in Blizetec, they seem to do a really good job with their knives. Their slogan is quality matters. So I got this knife at Amazon. If you're interested in it, I'll leave a link in the description. So that'll be it for this video. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to see more and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.